Struggling with problems that feel way too big? Here's the real deal. It's not that your problems are impossible. It's that no one ever gave you the right toolkit to solve them. We will discuss a step-by-step method to solve any problem very effectively without burning us out. And it can flip how you deal with challenges. With this background, shall we start now? Think about it. When you say something like, "My life is falling apart," that feels impossible to fix, right? But if you reframe it to, "I'm struggling to manage my work deadlines while caring for my parent," suddenly you've got something specific. And specific problems, they can actually be solved. Over the years, therapists have taught a powerful system to handle exactly this kind of chaos. It's called the solved technique. And trust me, you'll wish they taught this in school. Let's break it down with a real example so you can see it in action. Select the problem. Instead of drowning in vague feelings, pinpoint one issue. Say your presentation bombed and now you feel awful. Don't just write, "I feel bad." Write, "My presentation didn't go well, I feel heavy about it, and I'm worried others didn't like it." Already you're turning fog into focus. Then remove from your head what is completely out of your control. Here that is, "I'm worried others didn't like it." And open your mind. Now brainstorm every possible solution, even the silly ones. Maybe you imagine practicing in front of your cat. Maybe you record yourself and cringe through the playback. No idea is too small, because sometimes the silly sparks the breakthrough. I'll list pros and cons. Here's where overwhelm melts away. Write down the upsides and downsides of each idea. This is like shining a flashlight in a dark room. You suddenly see the best paths forward. Verify the best solution, now rank them. What's doable? What gives the biggest return for your effort? For the presentation, maybe rehearsing twice with a timer is practical and confidence-boosting. Enact the plan. Break it into steps, not become a flawless speaker. Too vague. Instead, Step 1, draft earlier. Step 2, rehearse with a friend. Step 3, time yourself. Progress happens in small moves, not giant leaps. After trying, circle back. Did you feel more confident this time? If yes, amazing. Log what worked. If not, don't call it failure. It's just data. Adjust and try the next best idea. That's growth. This process isn't just about solving this problem. It's about building the confidence that you can handle the next one. Problems stop being walls and start becoming stepping stones. So next time life throws chaos at you, remember, it's not proof you're failing, it's practice for problem solving. Want me to walk you through each step with real-life demos? Drop a solved in the comments, and I'll make part 2. If you liked this video and have not subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get updates whenever I post a new video. Stay healthy.